First setting for AutoCAD before drawing. First of all, set unit, type UN, click enter and set here in type engineering. If you are a civil engineer, in precision, click 0 feet 0 inch, OK. Now set dimension, enter D and press enter. Go to modify, go to primary unit, set engineering and precision 0 feet 0 inch. Now go to lines, click on fixed length extension line, length put here 1.5 inch. OK. Now set current, close. Now you have to set the limit. For this, enter limits, enter and put here first of all 0, 0, enter and again put here 600, 600, enter. OK. Now you have to set zoom, type Z and enter A, enter. Now you have to put this USC icon at the corner. Go to icon properties and uncheck it. Now you can draw any drawing on this AutoCAD and you have set all the setting. Please like and subscribe this channel for new update about civil engineering.